One more sweater sugar cookie? Yes, please. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So, you can never have too many sweater cookies in your winter wardrobe, right? Right, so let's make one more. If you've been following my channel, you've seen a lot of ugly sweaters over the Christmas holidays, but this one is all winter cozy. So to get started, I'm using a 15-second royal icing in white, and I'm just going to outline my sweater. I'm going slow, and I'm going to stay as close to the edge as I can. And to get a straighter line, I'm going to lift up my piping bag slightly, touch down at each corner, lift it up again, and follow around the outside edge. And it's okay if you stop and start and turn your cookie around because this is all going to be flooded in. And when I get to the sleeves here, I'm going to do a couple of lines so that I have a nice tall border between the sleeve and the sweater. I'm going to go over this line a couple of times. And then I set my cookie aside to dry for about 5 minutes just so those lines had a chance to set up. And I'm going to come back in and carefully flood in my cookie with my same royal icing at 15-second consistency. I'm going to try really hard not to go up against those lines separating the sleeve from the sweater just yet, but rather use my scribe to push my icing over to that line. And coming back in with my scribe, I'm going to carefully push my icing up against the line on the sleeve and smooth everything out before coming back in and carefully pushing my line up against the sleeve in the center of the cookie. We don't want to cover up that line that we made separating the sleeve from the body of the sweater, so we're just going to carefully push the icing up against it and then finish smoothing out the icing and shaping it as we need to, popping any air bubbles that we can see coming up under the surface. And then I'm going to immediately grab my green icing and I'm going to touch down, lift up, and do a little stripe at the elbow of each sweater sleeve. And this is a wet on wet effect, and that green line will blend right into the white icing. So I'm going to do that on both sleeves. And then come down to the bottom, and I'm going to touch down, lift up, and drag a line across the bottom of the sweater and the bottom of the sleeves. And we're also going to do the same thing at the neck. So touch down, lift up your piping bag, and slowly following the curve of the neckline, drag a line across. Watch your line of icing where it's falling and not your piping bag, and then touch down at the other end. And now let's do the same thing with the red icing. So touch down, lift up your piping bag, and drag a line across, and then touch down on the other end. Wipe off your piping bag between each line. So touch down, lift up your piping bag with even pressure, pull up and drag a line across to the other side, stop squeezing and touch down your line. And repeat the process for the other sleeve and also for the collar. If you have any bumps at the start or stop of any of your icing lines, just take your scribe and gently tap up and down and it'll settle right down. And then set the cookie aside to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can come back in and flood in the collar and the bottom of the shirt and the bottom of the sleeves. And as always, use your scribe to settle the icing down, shape it as you need to, and get it up to the points, and pop any air bubbles. Do the same thing for the collar of our turtleneck sweater. And it's looking good already, but one last thing to do is add some little white dots to all of the white areas of the sweater. This sweater looks so cozy and comfy, and I would totally wear it if I owned it. Would you buy this sweater if you saw it on the rack? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching what I promise will be the final sweater until the holidays next year. And if you missed all of those sweater videos and you can't wait to see them, I'll link the playlist in the description. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.